React.js is getting bigger and bigger nowadays. More companies and startups have start using React for creating websites and and mobile applications. But more oftenly, they did this mistake by choosing Create React app as the basic framework, where we have Next.js, a best built-in server-side rendering single-page application on React based that almost covers everything you really need in front end. Here are the plus points of using Next.js. Built-in server-side rendering, TypeScript support, serverless function, dynamic page routing, organized architecture, absolute imports, integrated CI/CD using Vercel as the hosting server, fetching data in server-side for page to pre-fetching page before rendering. All of them are handled in Next.js. I have added the link of the story on how to create a good architecture for Next.js application. Link is in the description. Hope you like it. Do subscribe. Until next time, have a good day, people.